Greetings. Anyways, I'm here to talk about what happened on the 31st of December 2022 about my shows akaitika Marare Zimdancehall cannot dance, you know, remember 1998, 1999, Capleton sang a song called No Competition, and he said music is a mission, not a competition. Enough man use music to cause confusion. Each other song here, no competition, Capleton. Indakazviramba kuti music is not a competition. Ndakazviramba. I got my lyrics, that's just lyrics. Ndakazviramba. When I came into music, pandakati ndada kuita dancehall yangu inini kuti ndada kuita sound system yangu, it has been always a competition. I had to compete against other people, and I came in as a champion. See it. Saka vakomana ava vanogara vachiita competition. Zimdancehall yese yakazara competition. Ngoni munowanzwa achiti uyu handikundi, uyu ndimambo, kubata munyari wacho, uyu ndimr Ningi, takaenda, uyu anonzi king of dancehall, uyu ndichichi, ndo competition yacho iyoyo. And hakuna munhu akataurirwa kunzi kana Ningi achiita shows vakati vamwe vese momira kuita mashows. Aiwa, hakuna zvakadaro. Isusu taitaridza Silverstone Sound at Jobs nightclub. Stereo 1 ichiridzira kuTube nightclub. It was like less than 10 minutes walk to both venues. Some people used to walk from one venue to another. Same type of music. Hatisi kutaura zvikwanana Synergy kwairidzwa zvese zvese, kwaingoridzwa mapoto nemapani zvese, nekunana Tropicana vairidza mapoto nemapani kwaya. Hakuna chairidzwa kwaya. Vairidza zvinofadza vanhu. Stereo 1 Silverstone stand the time of the test of time. Imagine kubva na 12 masikati kusvika mangwana na 8 kuseni AM. Muchiridza reggae music pasina kana one song yadzokerero. How many selectors can do it nowadays? None. Reggae music is not reggae music anymore. Dancehall is not dancehall anymore. You go to a dancehall show, you see hip hop, you hear hip hop music play. Back in the day, in the 90s, we never played. Maybe we played one song. I know when I went home in 1997, Gaffa Blazong, I played Missing You by Bafta Dego City Sports Center, you know. Yes, we used to play one or two soca, you know, and a Kevin Little. But we were really into it. Right now, they're actually doing what we're always yearning for. Those are titled as you know what I mean? Because kind of it's not like vana vazive zviri kuitika. Vanhu munoziva zviri kuitika, musaite kunge makazongaira. Hapana mumwe aikwanisa kuendesa munhu kune imwe show yake kuti no, I want you to be part of my show. No, they won't do that because they have too much egos. Ma-artist acho. In my promoters vane ma-egos kuitika. In my promoters ari pa mission yavo yekuwachisana. All I know kuti both artists were got paid. That's the most important part. probably nema supporting acts awo vakabhadharwa, you know. Zvekunzi uya azadza uya haana kuzadza aiwa, you know, yaimwe nyaya yayenyuwe. Like I said, we used to play music. Pajob's Night Sport, bye. Muna Julius Nyerere, awachiridza kuna mbuya nehanda still one. Kopa kaita Sinechu pakati pedu. Popa kaita Tropicana just down the road. Everybody's playing music and kwese Wedzera. Go back in the in Masungura days of Tonga Emoy. The late Tonga Emoy and Alec Macheso. They used to be compared. Vanhu vaitofunga kuti vanhu vakuita competition aiwa. Munhu airidza music yako yachiridza music yacho takaenda indaurambi. Ndozvinofanira kuitika, rambai makadaro. Munhu haufoswe kuita zvinhu, usataurirwe zvekuita, ita zvinhu zvako zvaunoda. Ndakasvika patime yekutonzi unoridza music inobhova, Minox anoridza Canadian style. Canadian style marekodzi angu ka. Apa uri kutaura naselector, ari kuridza marekodzi ako. Wonditaura kuti ndoridza marekodzi anobhova ini. Because ndikutokupa chance yekutoti iwewe uitewo shine. The time you play, inini nchida munhu wawo. I'm a person who can play 8 hours non-stop kana ndazvida zvangu. Handiridze song inonakidza dance ichitanga. Kune inonzi warm up. Unoridza masongs echirasta dance ichitanga, mamwe ari slow mavocal. You know what I mean? Uchienda uchida si? Uchipika uchidi. Saka most of these things that is rukotaura nevanhu pa internet haiende kubhawa. I think some artists now knows kuti some people who makes comments, most of them they don't attend shows. My keyboard warriors, you know. I used to work kuno kune nedzimwe boys vairendesa sound inonzi Sunshine Music. Sometimes I don't bonesa ma flyer kutaundo 10,000 flyers for a venue inopinza vanhu 300. Imagine that. But what, 10,000 flyers. Saka musanyanyo koresa zvinhu. It's a win-win situation for music in Zimbabwe, especially what we call Zimdancehall. Although some people call their music dancehall or Afro dancehall, whatever you want to call it, everything is going to be reggae music. Everything is inspired by reggae music. In I always give flowers to the people who made me who I am today. Like the guy like Farah Shambari, always. Because he used to go and buy new music and come and play it. Sometimes when I meet vachiteerera songs, I know bore. But he's the first person to play a doublet from Jamaica in Zimbabwe. Imagine that, and no one talks about that. History. You know, which is why I think I told Gregor Isaacs, I thought out as a small X. That's a history. You understand? Vanhu munofanira kungo complimenta ma-artists kuti ano apa makagona, at least you have proven your point. Guys, you did well, you know, at least apana mhirishonga yakaitika. Every show was peaceful. Ndozvinofanira kunge zvichitauro. Before nhasi so daitamuka so chitonzwanzi vanhu vakatengwa nemakeni, vanhu vakatengwa nemabhodhoro, chichichi, kwakakandwa mategas, but we don't hear that. Why can't people just compliment that part? There was no violence to both shows. Think outside of the box. The most important thing that we're supposed to talk about, no violence. Kana kuti hakuna vanhu vakasungwa, kana kuti hakuna munhu akabirwa foni. Do you understand? Izvozvo ndozvinhu zvatinofanira kunge tichikomplimenta kuti everybody had a good new year. Vanhu vakapinda zvakanaka vakadzokera kudzimba dzavo vachifara, pasina munhu akwara kana kuti pasina munhu atukwa. And we can enjoy the music and move on. And music, like I said, is always a competition. So what mission is just lyrics. Kutsvaga mari nema lyrics wewe. Why this song is #1 per radio in Zimbabwe? Because it's competing against other 50 songs. Why is it? Saka musangodherera muchingoita zvinhu keyboard warrior pano. Tikutaura sezvazviri. Takabva neku. Inini munhu wacho ainzi agoni when I quit music. Reggae music yandikutaura in a dancehall style, rubber style, you know what I mean? Zvakabva zvadhakwa, masound ese ari tu akabva adhakwa. Silverstone yakabva yadhakwa. Stereo 1 yakabva yadhakwa. Because the main actors vakabuda mazviri. One is dead in my life. We were the main force pazvinhu zvacho. Waiziya? And up to now, I don't compare any Shakabwa. No. I'm still alive. I'm still doing my thing. If I want to come back into music, I can come back any day, any time. But I don't know that I never accomplished not even one thing in reggae music. In personally. Nothing. I created more enemies upon enemies. Since I stopped this reggae music, my enemies became my friends. You understand? Saka ndo zvinhu zvacho anamboita mari. People don't look at my accomplishment at Minox during time yairidza reggae music netime yaakasiya reggae music. When I stopped reggae music, ndakatenga mota. I managed so many, I did so many things. It's family things anyways. That, it's none of anybody's business. I did a lot of things. Because I had money to play around with. Wakapinda music unopinda usina mari. Wakapinda une mari, it's a loss. Ese mabosi akapinda music ane mari. Tell me one of them antora dakaita mari ne reggae music. None. Iflambo chetu kuti vangozikana kunzi ndini bosi ningi bosi akati. Vachikwadza makeriya evapfana. Mabosi akapedza basa. Now kwane mabloggers. You understand? My first music in Ndaka record. I'm not a producer, believe me. I'm not a producer. I put it on the Punani rhythm. Zimbabwe ona Dokota. There is one Napunemu blast parade, anunzi soba. Then Zimbabwe ona Dokota. it was recorded. It was never remixed. That was a live recording. Pamberi pe 30 pastub. One take, straight to CD. But ndakaona yakanzi, oh, this music was remixed by Mad Minox with another journalist. No, I never mix music. I don't know how to remix music. I don't even know how to mix music. In reggae music, you don't need to mix. You just play music. And you have an MC anonakidza vanhu zvakatakaenda. You know? Saka ndokamiriro kakaita music yedu muZimbabwe. Musa kuchidzire hapana chiri papo. Every one of these people, ma-artists vakaita mashows avo musi wa31, they managed to fulfill their duties. Vakaimbira vanhu vakanakidzwa, and it's obvious vanhu vari kufara. Of course, one place unogona kuenda vamwe vanhu pfuura vamwe hazvati zvirambe izvo. But ndana yakaunda vanhu kuti mapinda vanhu vangani? No one. Kana takanzwa mafigures ese kuti ava nava tobva tazoenda ku-income tax, obhadhara income tax takaenda. How many artists you know in Zimbabwe vanobhadhara income tax? None. There might be one or two, but none. Wedzera. Saka munofanira kutofanira kutoti vapfana vari kutozvifidha nezvekutaura zvinhu zvisina nebasa rese. Ina mageto youth kai. Ndiro kumbari, imbari. Born and raised. You know. Patakatotangawo rege taitofunga kuti rege yakatanga kutoridzirwa kumbari, tisikazivi kuti aiwa rege yana kutanga kuridzirwa kumbari, yakatanga kuridzirwa kumaSuburb. Wabva washaya crowd Africa yewani yabva yazouya kuWaidhabu. You know. And there's still other sound systems vanotaura zvakazoti, but like I said, I have people, they just talk, but never did anything to the genre of reggae music. I did almost 50%. That much I know. Popularity of reggae music. Mad Minox. Me. Vamwe vese takangovasanganisa vese vakatiwo 50%. Right now vanhu vakuridza mapoto, mapani. Nakusina show inoitwa isikaridzwe afrobeats, isikaridzwe hip hop nereggae, zvangomixwa kwaito amapiano. You know, zvakufadza vanhu. I have people who came to me and say, "Ah, but man, ngatizvidzore panga zviri zvipi, panga zviri papi." If you ever go in public, uchitaurira vanhu kuti Mad Minox in the 90s you were the man. Nope. Hauna kumbobvira wazvita. Saka uda kuti ndikudzore iwewe. Not kuti you are doing it for me, you are doing it for yourself. Do it for yourself. Everybody is selfish in this music. Hakuna date rinonzi nderanhingi pakalenda, especially when you're doing shows. That's what I'm trying to say. As long as riri pakalenda chete, hakuna muridzo wedate iro. MuZimbabwe makaitwa ndofunga kana over 1,000 shows. In Harare, every place yanga nekashow kayo. But people focused on these two guys, HICC and City Sports. You know, that's history. Let's look at that. Let's look at the positive side. Because this has never been done. Imagine if these two so-called artists were hosting New Year's Eve, come together with other artists from different genres that are competing against one another. They can fill up the National Sports Stadium. Easy. 100,000 people, you can get it easy. We don't have to wait for foreigners to come and fill up National Sports Stadium. We don't. We have the talent, but too much egos. The promoters are there. They are willing and able. But kunema artists anotaura kuti kana ningari pa poster ainindi bvise. It's happening in Jamaica. The disease is spread to Zimbabwe. You understand? They don't know it's music, it's a business. Sugar might not say that. There's no business like dancehall business. Dancehall, reggae music. Vakomana vaviri vakabatana veisowa vakomana vanoridza magitari vemusambo akasiyana siyana. You tell me, but in Zimbabwe, we will never import any artist to come and entertain people in Zimbabwe. Never. One also weird because you know the world is around. To find out we change our cultures and whatnot. You know what I mean? But our main thing is to put to unite the people. They say divided we fall and united we stand. Most division you consider my bloggers, my keyboard warriors. Some of them are not even in Zimbabwe, just like me. Lord Jesus. You know what I mean? Not only can I complain about Facebook, sound that young guys carry. Ukunzwa recording ikafoni uboti sound yanga isikariri akaenda iko kwaanambobira complain uri kumba kwako uri Cape Town uri kucomplain uri kuigrade uri kuCanada uri kuAmerica uri kucomplain ayo azvisirizo sound ainzwike parecording yefoni shamwari sound inonzwika when you're in the venue munhu ari muvenue ndiye anokutaura kuti haiwa sound haina kurira kana kuti artist anga asina kugona kana kuti kwanga kusina vanhu. So far I haven't heard kuti munhu akaenda ko kachitaura kuti hawu kwangu kwanga kwakadhakwa. Everybody I'm hearing is just through a picture. Ataura kuti kwanga kazara kana kaka small video clip and whatnot. You know what I mean? You cannot judge things like that. Zvakaitika paVhengera paMutare apa last week in mukomana wedu uyu wekuimba join us too. Akauya akashatirwa sei? You know? Because certain people are there to damage artists. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Instead of going to their own genre that they love so much. It's Chimimba ne Zimdancehall ne reggae music ayo msadaro. Siya vana vari kushupika vadye chikafu. You know? Zvinopa hasha. If you take out food out of my mouth, I'll get angry. Hwezha. I'm quite sure everybody is happy today. Vachiona mari dzavanadzo. Uchatoona munhu atotenga motikari yavanhu otoshandiswa kuti kuplaza akatenga motikari but kudhanzi kwake kwainzi kwanga kusina vanhu. Hwezha. No problem yedu mazimba. I was reaching unity. You always go in a competition. And like I told you from the beginning, Capitan sang a song called No Competition. He says some man use the music to cause confusion. Serious thing that. And zvakapedza zvakuitika kuna Capleton wachi paakatanga kumhanyidzana naBiniman. Straight. Capleton could not be on the same show as Biniman. Biniman likewise. Bound Killer, Biniman, same thing. But when those guys join forces, German. Let this be a lesson, and we can move forward to see if we can do something bigger and fill up National Sports Stadium. That's what we want. The last time National Sports Stadium, I think it was Bujubantan. I was there in person. Culture, Eric Donaldson and I German, I was there in person. I was part of the promotion. You understand? Massive. Upper Mangurenje, we can still have the same thing. You know? That venue needs this kind of energy. Good, all right. Gachisa artist vese vari to akanda muchichi stadium and let's eat their food. Katite mari, it's a business deal. Unoona zvinoitika ikoko. Imagine National Sports Stadium wingi deal secolors Alec Macheso, Japreza, Endi Murizo, Freeman Aripo Natio, Enzo Aisha. Panofa munhu ikuvara mnyaro nekunakirwa not nezvibhakera nekunakirwa. Yoitwa kana almost like a festival. A weekend yese vanhu vachinakirwa. Because stadium aizoda kuzonzi $20 kavana vaende. Inenge idoka nama5 ma10. Because wakazoiwanza futi mari yacho kaunotadza kakuisadza ka stadium. Ma20 ndema small venues. You know? And Alex Parker and HICC and City Sports. And I stood at home. $10. People come in numbers. Imagine 65,000 to 100,000 people. That's $1 million. You're looking US dollars. That can be made charging $10. Apa tisataenda kuma merchandise kutaura zvanadoro, kutengesa ma-t-shirts, chikafu. You can get every sponsor you want. All those food outlets would like a piece of it. They say they would like a piece of that. Fill up National Sports Stadium with local artists. That's my 2 cents. As the Ghetto Crown King, as the champion of reggae music in Zimbabwe. You know, say it. I didn't come here to brag and boast, but I'm here to stay. You know, say it. If I want to tell you, we're the only living sound in Zimbabwe. No, you are the only person with the reggae music. Achirungotendera Hwezha on a sound system. when he says sound, that makes a difference. Sound, that means you have everything. You have the speakers, you have the amplifiers, you have the microphone, you have the crew. You're just a DJ. Some of them are just DJs, not sound. DJ. Why is it? And I'm not a DJ, I'm a selector. Half of the time I used to select music and give it to the operator or is a turntable. I'm talking and check around my records. You can ask me any song right now, I'll tell you off my back. Could the song here I know the artist watch no star. That's how much I love reggae music. Saka musafunga ndikutaura zvinhu zvasikasiya. Vacho vamaita vanogona kuridza music. Wakamutumira song womubvunza kuti song yakaimbwa nani hatombogona kutokutaurira, hatomboziva. Because they were not into the music. They were in there for the money. And I'm into the music. That's why sometimes I go to the music. My passion of music is deep. I like to see this music industry grow in Zimbabwe. Like how it used to be anagrama, anagalo, bangavachiriko. I'm quite sure they are still there, but they're not just recording the way they used to, because anybody on the laptop is now recording. Kutone wangu wanenge vachizitoita maproducer ayo, producer upi. Producer upi. So this is all it's pre-recorded by computer. Nothing chawaisa papo. So what type of producer? What did you create? You didn't create nothing. When I used to play reggae music, I used to create an environment, anthems. You understand? Just like these two artists, they create a situation and people look forward to it. That's being an artist. Anyways, blessed love, yeah? One love.